Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Toyota Tacoma 2005 to 2015? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Tacoma 2005 to 2015 houses critical fuses and relays that protect major electrical systems such as the engine, cooling fans, and ignition. It ensures safe power distribution to essential components under the hood. Designed for durability, it helps prevent electrical overloads and system failures in demanding driving conditions. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Toyota Tacoma 2005 to 2015 protects interior systems like lights, windows, and audio. It ensures safe power flow and easy fuse access. Relays in the Toyota Tacoma 2005 to 2015 act as switches to control high-power systems like the fuel pump, starter, and fans. Relay fuse box. In the Toyota Tacoma 2005 to 2015, relay boxes are located in the engine compartment and under the driver's side dashboard, controlling systems like the starter, fans, and interior electronics. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.